Future Purchasing have been great to work with. Category management is one of their main areas of expertise. Track8 encapsulates all the best practice thinking in this area. Implementation was smooth, and they offered some great user training for the Track8 product itself. They can also underpin this with some category management training to explain how to run cross-functional category projects using the methodology housed within the Track8 tool itself. We're a disparate team organised across business units and across geographies globally. We needed some way of documenting, tracking, collaborating and managing a wide variety of procurement projects in one tool. Track8 does this perfectly. It records each project, its progress against pre-agreed steps and decision approval points. We'd already spoken to Britvic, who had brought Track8 to their business, and they'd been positive about its effectiveness, and that's one of the reasons we introduced it as a category management tool. Track8 has definitely helped us achieve a consistent approach across our buying teams. The business are recognising this is the way to do things, and they recognise the style of our category plans and strategy documents. We wanted to work in a more consistent way, using one process, toolkit and approach. Track8 provided this solution online and to a very high quality standard. Track8 is very transparent and allows all documents for a project to be collected in one place and available to all team members. The dashboard is really useful as it provides a real-time view of progress against all the various sourcing and supply management programs that are either in flight or on the project hopper. Record keeping and knowledge management is improving all the time as the system enforces this discipline. It also encourages a much greater degree of knowledge sharing within the project team that can help on a wider procurement community as we share this information. At Rexam we have set up a number of category projects and we've been running them successfully. It's driven a greater sense of urgency in that each project leader can now see where their project is compared to their peers. It adds some degree of competitive pressure to get things done. The comprehensive toolkit and more importantly the easy to use templates have enabled the teams to follow a more consistent approach to writing category strategy documents. I think the quality of the output and the thinking has also improved as a result. We have needed our management team to get more focused on supporting delivery of the projects, and the dashboards have really helped with this. So Track8 again has stimulated and driven the need to be more involved, especially around the governance of projects. I think if you were to ask me how to sum up the benefits of Track8 at Rexam, it's increased level of project activity with better quality outputs, better stakeholder engagement due to the collaborative nature of the tool, greater visibility for procurement projects, easier to manage projects due to up-to-date information on progress, better overview of the programs and projects, more inclusive approach to procurement, better sharing of critical procurement information to help make more informed decisions, and standardisation. Category planning is an area that it's really helped us make great strides in prioritising and engaging with the business and our stakeholders. We have a sector director in Europe who is especially complementary as the style and consistency is the same across all our procurement categories, and he's been able to align his own activity to the programme following our discussions. I'd say the two most important aspects of Track8 have been firstly providing the team with a really useful and comprehensive process, toolkit and templates, and secondly giving me an insight to where the team are with their projects. I'd say the team have been universally positive towards Track8. They have all found it to be intuitive, user-friendly, and it's helped them look good because the outputs are so professional. Track8 has enabled a consistency of approach, introduced and embedded new techniques, and has increased focus of effort across the team. I would strongly recommend both Track8 and Future Purchasing. Track8 has been an excellent product that has raised the bar for our category managers. Track8 is very easy to use, it's very intuitive, and has become a way of life at Rexam for our category managers. Future Purchasing have been very supportive, also in the post-implementation phase, when other companies may have backed away. They ran a review, a feedback session, and with all the key users to understand any issues and share best practices and learnings. This really helped to cement the best way of using Track8 and also encouraged the team to share how they have used the product on their daily project activities.